Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome to video number 4 in our Qasas Nabiyeen guided reading series. We are up to story number 4. We'll break through the text, we will translate the text, we will go over some grammatical concepts, and we will analyze some vocabulary. So inshallah, whatever level you are on, you can take some benefit. Bismillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Amma ba'd, now we proceed. Ibrahimu yaksiru al-asnam. Ibrahimu yaksiru al-asnama. Ibrahim breaks the idols. Kasara yaksiru means to break. وجاء يوم عيد ففرح الناس. وجاء يوم عيد ففرح الناس. And a day of Eid, yani a day of celebration, came. ففرح الناس, and the people were happy. So وجاء means to come. Ja'a, and its present tense is, and its mudari is yaji'u. Ja'a yaji'u means to come. وجاء يوم عيد, and a day of Eid came. ففرح الناس. فرح يفرح means to be happy, to be elated. This fa here is in response to this Eid, yani a day of Eid came, and because of this, yani sababiyya, this is fa of sababiyya. The day of Eid came, and because of this, the people were happy. وخرج الناس للعيد وخرج الأطفال. And the people left for Eid, and so did the children. خرج يخرج means to leave. خرج يخرج. يخرج means to leave. So the people and nas left for Eid, and they left their houses to go and celebrate their Eid. وخرج الأطفال, and the children also left. طفل, طفل is the singular form of the word أطفال, which means children. So طفل is a child. وخرج والد إبراهيم وقال لإبراهيم ألا تخرج معنا. وخرج والد إبراهيم, and the father of Ibrahim left the house also. وقال لي إبراهيم, and he said to Ibrahim. The lam here is in the meaning of to. وقال لي إبراهيم ألا تخرج معنا. Will you not leave with us? A is adatul istifham or harf istifham. So using it here gives the meaning of a question. So it is a question. And la means no. So will you not leave with us? Ma'a means with. Ma'a means with. So ma'a na means with us. يعني الناس. قال إبراهيم أنا سقيم. Ibrahim عليه الصلاة والسلام said, أنا, I, سقيم, I am ill. سقيم means ill. وذهب الناس وبقي إبراهيم في البيت. وذهب الناس, and the people went. ذهب يذهب means to go. So the people went. وبقي إبراهيم في البيت, and Ibrahim عليه الصلاة والسلام remained in the house. بقي يبقي means to remain or to stay somewhere. So وذهب الناس وبقي إبراهيم في البيت. The people went, yani the people left to celebrate their Eid, whilst Ibrahim عليه الصلاة والسلام remained in the house. وجاء إبراهيم إلى الأصنام وقال للأصنام ألا تتكلمون ألا تسمعون. وجاء إبراهيم إلى الأصنام. As we said, جاء means to come. So Ibrahim عليه الصلاة والسلام came to the idols, and he went to the idols. وقال للأصنام, and he said to the idols, ألا تتكلمون, do you not speak? ألا تسمعون, do you not hear? تكلم means to speak. تكلم يتكلم, and سمع يسمع means to hear. هذا طعام وشراب. This, هذا is اسم إشارة, it is used to indicate something. So هذا طعام وشراب, this is food and drink. طعام means food, شراب means drink. ألا تأكلون, ألا تشربون هذا طعام وشراب ألا تأكلون ألا تشربون. Will you not eat? Will you not drink? أكل أكل يأكل means to eat. شرب شرب يشرب means to drink. وسكتت الأصنام لأنها حجارة لا تنطق. وسكتت الأصنام لأنها حجارة لا تنطق. وسكتت الأصنام, and the asnam, the idols, remained silent. سكت يسكت means to be silent or to remain silent. لأنها حجارة, the idols remain silent. لأنها, because they are حجارة, they are stone. لا تنطق, they do not speak. لأن means because. The ha here is referring to asnam. It is لأنها, not لأنهن or لأنهم, because asnam is a non-sentient plural. It is جمع غير عاقل, so it is treated as a singular feminine noun grammatically. لأنها حجارة لا تنطق. نطق ينطق means to speak. So وسكتت الأصنام لأنها حجارة لا تنطق. So the idols were silent because they are stone, they do not speak. So you may be wondering why is it sakatatil asnam. This is because normally it is singular feminine, so normally it would be sakatat, like this, sakatat. However, there's hamzatul wasl here in the alif of al. The alif of alif lam of ta'rif is wasli. When you have iltiqa as-sakinain, yani when you have two sakins come together, then this ta of femininity on past tense verbs always takes a kasra. So it can't be wasakatat al-asnam, it's wasakatatil asnam. If you have any issues or need any further clarification on this, then just let me know in the comment section, and inshallah I will get back to you. قال إبراهيم عليه الصلاة والسلام said ما لكم لا تنطقون. ما لكم means what is the matter with you, yani what is with you. لا تنطقون means do not speak. Yani Ibrahim عليه الصلاة والسلام said, what is the matter with you that you do not speak? This is ayah from the Quran. It is Surah As-Safat, ayah number 92. وسكتت الأصنام وما نطقت. وسكتت الأصنام, and the idols remained silent. وما نطقت, and they did not speak. حينئذ غضب إبراهيم وأخذ الفأس. حينئذ, then غضب إبراهيم, Ibrahim عليه الصلاة والسلام became angry. وأخذ الفأس, and he took the axe. So غضب يغضب means to be angry. وأخذ الفأس, and he took the axe. أخذ يأخذ means to take. أخذ يأخذ means to take, and غضب يغضب means to be angry. Al-Fa's is an axe. A-X-E. Al-Fa's is an axe. وضرب إبراهيم الأصنام بالفأس وكسر الأصنام. وضرب إبراهيم, and Ibrahim عليه الصلاة والسلام hit al-asnam, hit the idols, بالفأس وكسر الأصنام. So, and Ibrahim عليه الصلاة والسلام hit the idols بالفأس. Ba here is in the meaning of with. And Ibrahim عليه الصلاة والسلام hit the asnam with al-fas, with the axe. وكسر الأصنام, and broke the idols. وترك إبراهيم الصنم الأكبر وعلق الفأس في عنقه. وترك إبراهيم, and Ibrahim عليه الصلاة والسلام left الصنم الأكبر, the biggest idol, وعلق الفأس في عنقه, and hung the axe on its neck or by its neck. ترك يترك, يترك means to leave. الصنم الأكبر is موصوف صفة, it is a adjectival relationship, it means the biggest idol. The word akbar here is ism tafdil, ism tafdil, al-ism tafdil, meaning a superlative noun. So وَتَرَكَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ الصَّنَمَ الْأَكْبَرَ, and Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam left the biggest idol, yani he did not smash it, he did not break it. وَعَلَّقَ الْفَأْسِ فِي عُنُقِهِ. عَلَّقَ يُعَلِّقُ means to attach or to hang something. So وَعَلَّقَ الْفَأْسِ, he attached or hung the axe في عنقه, on the neck of the idol, the biggest idol. Unuq means neck. And that's it for story number 4. Inshallah, you've taken benefit from this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Take care, inshallah. I'll see you on the other side. Ma salama.